Stuffins. We're at the beach. I thought I would walk and look for seashells. Not that I really have anywhere to put them, but... Oh look, the sun's coming out. The tide's kind of high for like swimming, so I may wait and go boogie boarding later. But I was just thinking, I live so close to the beach and I never go. I think there's so many people who love the beach, who wish that they could go, or wish that they were as close to it as I am. And here I am, I live close to it, and I like never go. And there's many, many people who have never been to a beach in their life. People who want to go. There's a lot of people, you know, all at the parking lot, but if you walk down the beach, there's not that many people. I don't know why they don't walk down. But back to what I was saying. I never go to the beach, but that's not really by choice. You know, I can't drive, I don't have a car. And I've been really busy up until now. I found a shell! I got that for you guys. Do you like it? Put that right next to you. There's people taking selfies. I liked this leaf, so I got you this leaf. Found the coolest rock, and it's shaped like an arrow, and it was pointing towards the ocean. So that must mean there's treasure in the ocean. You gotta follow the arrows. I'll put the lucky rock next to you. Okay? Okay. Shell.